Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and wondered why your body looks this way? Narrow shoulders, a flat chest, skinny arms with little muscle, but at the same time, a belly that sticks out with extra fat, especially around your stomach and love handles? This is what is known as skinny fat. But why does your body end up like this? Because the problem isn't just your weight, it's your body composition. You don't have enough muscle, but you have a higher amount of body fat compared to your muscle mass. Many people make the mistake of thinking they only need to lose weight, so they follow extreme diets and do endless cardio, but in the end, they only become smaller and weaker without actually building a better-looking body. To transform a skinny fat physique, you need to build muscle, reduce excess fat, and improve your overall body shape at the same time. You might think that because your main problem is your belly and love handles, you should only focus on ab exercises. But your body cannot burn fat from only one specific area. To build an athletic physique, you need to build your entire body and lower your overall body fat percentage. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to transform a skinny fat body from home, without a gym and without any equipment. We are going to focus on 7 big movements. These are designed to create a wider frame, which naturally makes your waist look smaller and your body look more athletic. Movement 1, Pike push-ups. The key to not looking skinny is wide shoulders. Pike push-ups target the deltoids. Get into a downward dog position, hips high in the air, and lower your head towards the floor in front of your hands. If this is too hard, put your hands on a chair. If it's too easy, put your feet on a chair. Aim for 3 sets until you are 1 to 2 reps away from total failure. Movement 2, the Bulgarian split squat. This is the king of home leg exercises. Put one foot behind you on a sofa or bed and squat down with the other leg. This move is incredibly taxing. It forces your body to release growth hormones and burns a massive amount of calories. Do 3 sets per leg. Movement 3, diamond push-ups. If you want to fill out your sleeves, you need triceps. Place your hands together in a diamond shape on the floor. This targets the back of the arms and the inner chest. It's much harder than a regular push-up, which is exactly what your muscles need to grow. Movement 4, decline push-ups. Put your feet up on a chair or bed and perform push-ups. This hits the upper chest, creating that plate armor look that defines a masculine physique. Movement 5, back widows. You need a stronger back to create that wide V-shaped frame. Back widows target your lats, traps, and upper back muscles without any equipment. Lie on your back with your elbows bent and pressed into the floor. Push through your elbows to lift your upper body slightly, then slowly lower back down. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Movement 6, bicep curls. If you want arms that actually fill your sleeves, you need to train your biceps. You don't need expensive dumbbells. Use a large water bottle, a backpack filled with books, or any heavy object you can safely hold. Keep your elbows locked close to your body, curl the weight up slowly, and control the way down. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Movement 7, leg raises. This movement targets the lower abs, the hardest area to develop and the easiest place to store body fat. Lie flat on your back. Place your hands by your sides or under your glutes if your lower back needs support. Now lift your legs straight up toward the ceiling. Then lower them slowly, slowly. Your heels must not touch the ground. That's cheating. The floor means failure. Forget counting reps. Just keep going until you physically can't lift your legs anymore. When you reach that point where your legs feel heavy and your brain says, "I can't do this anymore," that's exactly where the real work begins. Most people ask me how many times a week they should do this workout. The answer is simple, 3 to 4 times per week. If you're a beginner, start with 3 days. As you get stronger, increase it to 4 days. Your muscles grow during recovery, so don't train these exercises every single day. The secret here is progressive overload. Every week, try to do 1 more rep than you did last time. If you don't challenge yourself, your body has no reason to change. The nutrition blueprint. You cannot out-train a bad diet, but for a skinny fat person, the diet is different. First, stop the extreme calorie deficits. You need to eat at maintenance or a very slight deficit. You need energy to build muscle. Second, the protein rule. You need to consume about 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight. Protein is the building block of muscle. If you don't eat enough of it, your body will simply stay soft. Think eggs, chicken, lentils, Greek yogurt, or lean beef. Third, smart carbs. Carbs are your fuel. Eat most of your rice, potatoes, or bread around your workout window. This ensures the energy goes toward muscle recovery and growth rather than being stored as fat. The final key, sleep and consistency. Muscle doesn't grow while you are working out. It grows while you sleep. High stress and low sleep increase cortisol, the hormone that loves to store fat specifically in the belly area. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Fixing a skinny fat physique is a marathon, not a sprint. You won't see a six-pack in 7 days. But if you follow this home workout 3 to 4 times a week and hit your protein goals, you will see a massive difference in 12 weeks. Your clothes will fit better, your jawline will sharpen, and that stubborn belly fat will finally start to fade.
And remember, you don't always need fancy gym equipment to build an impressive physique. See you in the next video.